Hello everyone, you are watching Genius Tutorial. Today in this tutorial we will listen the conversation between two girls about family. From this conversation we will learn English. If you want to start from beginning, press the I button and watch my previous tutorial which I given in my channel for learning English. Now I am going to start my today's tutorial. Up to last, stay with me and enjoy my tutorial.
What is your name?
My name is Jelen.
How old are you?
I am 22 years old.
How many people are there in your family?
6 people. My father, mother, 2 brothers, 1 sister and me.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 brothers and 1 younger sister.
Does your family live in a house or in a flat?
We live in a big house in the countryside.
What does your father do?
My father is a doctor. He was in a local hospital.
What about your mother? Does she work?
No, she is a homemaker and she looks after my baby sister.
What is the name of your sister?
Nita.
Are you oldest among your siblings?
Yes, I am the eldest.
What does your sister like?
She likes to ride bicycle and play in the garden.
Do you stay with your parents?
Yes, I live with my family.
Do your parents let you stay out late?
Unfortunately no, I have to be home before 8 p.m.
Does your family usually have food together?
Yes, we always have breakfast together. My mother makes best pancake.
Thank you, Jeren, for telling us about your family.
You are welcome, we would love to have you visit us.